Put in the Fiocchi 9mm.
Okay.
Reader.
Again. So. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Good job. It's racked. I see it there. Okay. Good job, girl. I think it's empty, but I could be wrong. I was wrong. Very interesting. It's jammed. Sorry, I wasn't supposed to tell you. And I think it is empty. Drop your mag and then double check. I'm telling you, when you get your final gun, you need to swap out your, and then check your well, and check underneath. Keep it pointed down range, okay?